Did you know 56% of people cannot cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing, and almost half of credit card users carry a balance each month? That means many hardworking people are just one surprise away from financial stress. What if there was a clear way out of that struggle? A set of rules that give your money purpose, stops waste, and builds real financial strength. Not theory, not guesswork. Simple habits that work in the real world. In this video, you will learn 8 personal finance rules that can change how you handle money forever. These rules are not complicated. They are practical. Anyone can follow them. When you apply them consistently, they create stability, reduce stress, and help you build a future you can feel confident about. Let's get started. 1. Give every dollar a job. The first rule everyone should follow is to give every dollar a purpose. When money has no direction, it disappears without you knowing where it went. This is why many people feel broke even when they earn enough. Studies show that households that follow a structured budget are about 20% more likely to feel financially secure. That one habit alone can change how confident you feel about money. Before the month begins, decide where your income will go. Rent, food, transport, savings, and even fun money should all have a place. When every dollar has a role, you stop guessing and start leading your finances. This rule removes fear from budgeting. You no longer worry about overspending because you already decided your limits. It also helps you save without stress because saving becomes part of the plan, not something you hope to do later. Over time, this habit builds confidence. You feel in control instead of confused. And when you control your money, you control your future. 2. Keep car costs under control. The second rule is to never let your car become a financial burden. Many people make the mistake of buying more cars than they can afford. They focus only on the monthly payment and ignore the total cost. A smart rule is to keep your car expenses under control by following a simple guideline. Put at least 20% down when you buy a car. Finance it for no more than 4 years. Make sure your total car costs stay under 10% of your monthly income. Cars lose about 20% of their value in the very first year. That means long loans on expensive cars usually hurt your finances more than they help your image. For example, if you earn around $9,500 a month, your total car spending should stay near $950. That includes the payment, insurance, fuel, and maintenance. A reliable and affordable car gives you freedom. An expensive one gives you pressure. When you choose wisely, your car supports your life instead of controlling it. 3. Use credit cards with discipline. The third rule is to use credit cards only if you can pay them off fully every month. Credit cards are not bad tools, but they become dangerous when used without control. Right now, the average household carrying credit card debt owes about $9,654. On top of that, many cards charge interest rates above 20%. That means a large part of your money goes to interest instead of your future. Almost half of credit card users carry a balance each month. That keeps them stuck in a cycle where debt grows faster than savings. A smart approach is to treat your credit card like a debit card. If you do not have the cash, you do not swipe. This rule protects you from debt and keeps your spending honest. When you use credit wisely, you enjoy the benefits without the burden. When you misuse it, you carry stress for years. 4. Stop spending to impress others. The fourth rule is to stop trying to look rich and start trying to be financially strong. Many people spend money just to match others. New phones, trendy clothes, expensive outings, all to keep up appearances. Research shows that about 40% of people admit they overspend just to impress others. Most of that money goes to non-essential items that do not improve their real quality of life. On average, people spend around $18,000 each year on things they do not truly need. Imagine what that money could do if it went into savings, debt freedom, or future plans instead. Real confidence comes from knowing your bills are paid, your savings are growing, and your future is secure. That feels better than any brand name. When you focus on your goals instead of others' opinions, your money starts working for you instead of against you. 5. Take free money from your employer. The fifth rule is to never ignore retirement benefits from your workplace. If your employer offers matching contributions, that is free money. For example, If your company matches up to 5% of your salary and you earn $50,000 a year, that is an extra $2,500 added to your retirement every year at no cost to you. Yet around 20% of workers miss out on this match. That means they are turning down part of their own paycheck without even realizing it. Even small contributions grow over time because of compound growth. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes. This rule alone can add tens of thousands to your future. And in the future, you'll be thankful you started early. The biggest mistake is waiting, because time is the one thing money cannot replace. Starting now gives you an advantage that no raise can match. Many people say they will begin next year, but next year often turns into never. Taking action today puts you ahead of most people without any extra effort. 6. Eliminate high-interest debt first. The 6th rule is to eliminate high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Not all debt is equal. Credit cards often charge more than 20% interest, while some loans charge much less. Right now, total consumer debt is above $4.9 trillion, and a huge part of that is expensive debt that keeps people stuck for years. A smarter strategy is to focus extra money on the debt with the highest interest rate first, while paying the minimum on the rest. For example, clearing a $5,000 balance at 20% interest before a $10,000 loan at 5% can save you hundreds in interest. Every debt you remove gives you breathing room. It also gives you motivation to keep going when progress feels slow. The more debt you eliminate, the faster your money starts working for you instead of against you. Over time, this creates a powerful shift from surviving to building. 7. Build an emergency fund. The 7th rule is to always prepare for the unexpected. Life does not ask before problems arrive. A broken phone, medical bill, or job loss can happen anytime. Right now, about 56% of people cannot cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing money. That shows how common financial stress really is. Start small. Aim for your first $500 or $1,000 in savings. Then slowly build toward 3 to 6 months of expenses. An emergency fund is not just money. It is peace of mind. When you know you have backup, you make better decisions and feel less pressure in everyday life. That confidence alone is worth the effort of saving. It also protects your long-term goals, because emergencies no longer force you to use credit or drain your investments. 8. Save for home repairs in advance. The 8th rule is to plan for home costs before they surprise you. Homes need care. Pipes leak. Roofs age. Appliances break. A smart guideline is to save about 1% of your home's value each year for repairs. For a $300,000 home, that means saving around $3,000 annually. Experts estimate that average yearly home maintenance usually falls between $2,000 and $4,000. When you plan for these costs, they do not turn into debt. They become part of your normal routine. This simple habit protects you from big financial shocks and keeps your home a comfort instead of a burden. It also helps you avoid last-minute stress when something breaks. Over time, this planning gives you confidence that you can handle home expenses without panic. There you have the 8 personal finance rules that can guide you toward a stronger and more confident financial life. These rules are simple, but when followed consistently, they create powerful change. The key is not perfection. The key is commitment to better habits every day. If this video helped you, hit the like button so others can learn these rules too. Share it with someone who wants to improve their money habits. And subscribe to the channel for more clear and practical content that helps you build a better financial future.